Hello everyone, my name is Folafash, and if you're new, then welcome. If you're not new, thanks for tuning back in. If you're not subscribed, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button to see more videos from me. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a sew-in install, and my client has very thick, relaxed hair. I am going to be doing an install with quite a lot of leave out, not so much, but quite a bit, because I want her to be able to put her hair up in a ponytail. The only problem with this is that her hairline, especially on one side, is a bit thinner. So I think I should have left out a bit more hair. However, I didn't want to leave out too much hair either. But I still tried my best to blend it anyway, as you will see towards the end of the video when it's done. Anyway, I'm not going to talk too much in this video because I have done a sew-in install recently on my channel. So I'm going to put a link to that below in the description box. And as I mentioned previously in that video, I do tend to do this pattern because I feel it gives me the most flawless finish. Everybody's head shape is different, their hair is different, so it does depend on the client. But more times than not, I do tend to do this because I feel it gives a very flat install. So I really liked this install. However, the one thing I hated completely was the hair extensions. Oh my gosh, guys, it was so terrible. Like, I'm an advocate for, if you're getting a sew-in weave, please make sure you just get really good quality hair extensions. These extensions were just like some random hair extensions, I think from like one of these websites from like China or something, and they were just, it was just such bad quality. Like, I really wish we used much better quality hair, because that would have made this install like amazing. I mean, it still turned out nice, but I just feel like it could have been so much better. I think we used like 3 or 4 bundles, but it still came out so thin because the extensions were just bad quality. So, and they're supposed to be like, I think like 20 something inches, and it just looks so thin. That aside, I think I made it work anyway. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.
You've been taking me on a long ride. I've been texting you for a while now. I've been texting you, you know they call me Mamacita. I've been texting you for a while now. I've been texting you for 2 weekends. It's Friday nights, please call me home. Baby girl, I've been watching you since the morning and night. I know, say that you're having fun, girl. You've been taking a flight. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Would you be mine tonight? Would you be mine tonight? Would you be mine tonight? Mamacita, you look so fine, oh. Carolina, it's the way you smile, it blows my mind. You look so fine, oh. Baby girl, I've been watching you since the morning and night. I know, say that you're having fun, girl. You've been taking a flight. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Would you be mine tonight? Would you be mine tonight? Would you be mine tonight? Baby girl, I've been watching you since the morning and night. I know, say that you're having fun, girl. You've been taking a flight. Would you be mine? Could you be mine?